Happy New Week, happy new vlog. So, I went to Mumbai today to pick some things, and I intend to do a lot of going out this week because I need to fix a lot of things right. I need to fix a lot of things right. I also need to record, I need to create content, and all of those things. Hey y'all, I don't know what's up with this weather, but it's not been funny. And then PMS entered again. I feel so tired. Feel so tired. I've taken PCM, I've taken paracetamol. But I feel so tired. And I'm having cramps here and there. Oh, there's something in this weather. I don't know. Maybe the weather is transitioning. I don't know. invitation to go out. I eventually did not. In fact, that outfit, I changed it to wear something else. Eventually didn't go out. I eventually did not go out. You people. Man proposes, God disposes. That's just the end of the story. But I'll tell you the reason why later. So everybody, let me give you the story of this. So yesterday I couldn't go out anymore because it rained so much. It rained so much I could not go out again. And even before then, I decided to change the kimono attached to the trouser, the two-piece. So, you know, because of the rain and all, I decided to do this one that, okay, this looks smarter and I don't have to be worrying about water and all of those things. But at the end of the day, I just couldn't carry myself out because I was so tired, period at setting and all of those things. So yes, I'm going out today. I don't think I'm going to be showing you where I'm headed, but every other thing after now, you're going to be seeing it. The sun is not anybody's mate right now. We're gradually entering into the dry season and the heat is getting really hot. And our electricity, it is well in NEPA. Anyways, I'm sure you're wondering what's up. This is Sunday morning. This is not Sunday morning, this is Saturday morning. I have a conference, workers conference. See, this story, this gist, don't worry, it's a very long gist, because if someone had told me that I'll be doing all these workers things again, oh my god. Okay, so I'm going to church, not our church right now, the province redeemed. The story is saying these things are very funny to me. Anyway, so I need to meet with my my church members in church. They're driving, so I'm going to be following them, and I need to leave the house like right now. I don't like delaying people. The time to get there, meeting time is 8:30. This is 8:25. My house to the church is not so far, right? To the church where we're going to be, leaving from is not so far. So it's in less than 3 minutes. I'm going to be in church. So yeah, I gotta go now. See you all.
I'm very God for mercy. How will I begin to grow the church of God? I want to kindly, if you don't mind,